Yo, let's go, man. It's AP with Heko, man. All the way in Emfuleni, man. We still at the church club, man. Shit is happening, man. Niggas are performer, bruh. Like I just heard Uta young coin, man. It could better a bang in Swambu. Like a performance in Swambu, bruh. All the way in Emfuleni, bruh. Let me give you good money, bruh. I am.
Yeah, what up?
Shall I voice a good money? Only tula, bruh. Like I feel, bruh. I'm going bruh. All the way in Emfuleni, bruh.
7100.
Let's go, bruh.
That's where it comes from.
Come on, I'm like, who's money got the platform?
Okay, on Facebook, always Young Coin Lazy, Instagram, Young Coin _ the lyricist, Twitter, which is X nowadays, it's at Young Coin SA.
Let's go.
Yeah, on WhatsApp.
Let's go. Do catch him good man, but otherwise we are killer, we are ends, we are bro. We still at this past cars. I'm saying, bro. Like a performance, bro. Like it's very inspiring, bro. Wow, uthatha ixesha lakho usuke ngabe Emfuleni on a Friday. Like, bro, I have to give away, bro. Because bro, iwezi ndazenzeka gogo, bro. Like keep it going, bro. Qhubekeka wenze le nto.
Thanks, bro.
Dango, bro. Xalela, bro. Xalela, man. Sir, it's AP with Heko, man. Yeah, man. Let's go. Double O. We go. Slap was called. Slap.
Remember you started long ago. It's a matter of time since I can go. I've been praying for the prayers as I can go. Stay focused. Remember you started long ago. It's a matter of time since I can go. I've been praying for the prayers as I can go.